This tutorial review will show you how to create contact poster on iPhone. To create contact poster, you have to update iOS 17 or newer version. Once done, open the contact app, tap on My Card and tap on Contact Photo and Poster, and make sure to enable name and photo sharing option. Then tap on Edit, and now tap on Create New, and here you will get several options to create your contact poster. You can tap on this camera to capture an instant photo to make a poster, or you can upload photos from your gallery to make a poster. Also here you will get monogram option and the memoji option. Now let's create a contact poster using photo. So I'm tapping on photos and selecting a photo from my Photos app. Now you can pinch the photo to zoom in and zoom out. You can swipe to the left side to add a filter. Now tap on done. Tap on continue. You can crop the photo. So this is how we can create contact poster on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.